Ever feel like your car was designed by someone who only drinks from tiny juice boxes? If you've ever had to wedge a massive 40-ounce water bottle between your legs, or watch it launch across the floorboards during a sharp turn, you know the struggle is incredibly real. We're spending more time in our cars than ever, and our hydration gear has officially outgrown our consoles. Today, we are settling the score and finding the ultimate solution for your oversized mugs and flasks. We're breaking down the top 6 cup holder expanders of 2026 to see which one actually earns its spot in your center console. All the links are in the description below, so you can grab the one that fits your ride perfectly. Before we jump in, what's the most creative way you've tried to secure a giant bottle in your car? Let me know in the comments. I've seen everything from duct tape to pillows. 6. Amazon Basics Car Cup Holder Expander. The Amazon Basics Car Cup Holder Expander is the ultimate, no-frills workhorse for anyone who wants a reliable, budget-friendly fix for their hydration headaches. This expander is built from rugged ABS plastic that feels surprisingly substantial, designed to bridge the gap between those narrow factory slots and your beefy 32 to 40-ounce Yeti or Hydro Flask. The star of the show here is the adjustable twist-to-expand base, which creates a rock-solid lock in almost any standard circular holder, ranging from 2.5 to 3.75 inches. When you compare this to the premium Swigzy model, you're getting almost identical stability and performance without the brand tax that usually drives the price up. One of my favorite real-world details is the internal rubber tabs. They act like little shock absorbers, gripping your bottle so it doesn't rattle or tip when you're navigating bumpy back roads, yet they still let you grab your drink with one hand without a struggle. It even features a U-shaped cutout for your coffee mugs with handles, making it a versatile choice for the morning commute. While it is a bit bulkier and might block an adjacent cup holder in a compact car, the value for money here is truly hard to beat for a daily driver. What do you think? Is the Basics label enough for you? Or do you prefer a more specialized brand name for your car gear? 5. TYKOR Car Cup Holder Expander. If you're the type of person who needs your phone and your giant water bottle within arm's reach at all times, the TYKOR Car Cup Holder Expander might just be your new best friend. This robust utility accessory is specifically designed to handle the heavy hitters, fitting everything from 16 to massive 46-ounce bottles like the largest Yeti Ramblers. What really sets the TYKOR apart from its competitors is its everything-in-one philosophy. It doesn't just hold your drink, it features an integrated phone holder slot and a deep U-shaped cutout for mugs. This means you're essentially consolidating 2 or 3 different car accessories into one stable hub. Made from heat-resistant ABS plastic, it won't warp or melt, even if you're parked in the sweltering summer sun. In a head-to-head comparison with the WeatherTech Cup Phone, the TYKOR wins on sheer bottle capacity, though the WeatherTech might have a slightly sleeker, more factory-installed look. It excels on rough terrain thanks to a silicone coaster and thick base pads that silence those annoying plastic-on-plastic rattles. However, because it's built to hold such massive bottles, it does have a larger footprint that might feel a bit intrusive in a luxury sedan. Would you find a built-in phone slot helpful, or do you prefer your phone mounted up high on the dashboard or windshield? 4. Swigzy Car Cup Holder Expander. The Swigzy Expander is widely considered the gold standard in this category because it solves a problem that many other brands ignore: the dreaded blocked second cup holder. While most expanders sit right in the middle of your factory slot, the Swigzy features a patented offset base that you can adjust with a simple bolt. This allows you to shift the entire unit to one side, keeping your gear shifter clear and leaving your second cup holder open for a friend or your second coffee. Built from high-quality polycarbonate, it feels noticeably more premium and durable than the cheaper, generic options on the market. The proprietary retaining tabs are a standout, providing enough tension to prevent a 40-ounce awala from tipping during a sudden stop, but releasing it smoothly, so you aren't fighting your car for a sip of water. Compared to the Amazon Basics model, the Swigzy offers much better versatility for cramped consoles like those found in the Toyota RAV4. While it does come with a slightly higher price tag, the ability to customize its position makes it a superior choice for anyone with a crowded center console. Does your car have those annoying cup holders that are too close together? If so, this offset design might be the game changer you've been looking for. 3. 7 Sparta Car Cup Holder Expander. The 7 Sparta Car Cup Holder Expander is a fan favorite for a reason. It's a high-quality, middle-of-the-road champion that balances durability with a very fair price point. Specifically engineered for the 32 and 40-ounce Hydro Flask crowd, this expander uses impact-resistant ABS plastic that avoids the flimsy feel of budget-tier models. Its twist-to-expand base is incredibly easy to operate, creating a custom, vibration-free fit that won't budge even on the twistiest mountain roads. One of the best real-life features is the set of 4 flexible rubber pedals inside the holder. They provide a tenacious grip that significantly reduces road noise and prevents that annoying rattling sound every time you hit a pebble. It also includes a deep U-channel for mug handles, which is a lifesaver for those of us who can't start the day without a giant travel mug of caffeine. When you stack it up against the Swigzy, the 7 Sparta holds its own in terms of grip and stability, though it lacks that specific offset base feature. It's a straightforward, reliable tool that does exactly what it promises without any unnecessary fluff. If you're a gym goer or a weekend warrior who needs a secure spot for your insulated bottle, this is a very safe bet. Have you ever had an expander that rattled too much? Let me know your experiences with noisy car accessories in the comments. 2. Integral Ultimate Car Cup Holder Expander. For the supersizers out there, the Integral Ultimate Car Cup Holder Expander is one of the few models on the market that can truly handle the massive 46-ounce Yeti Rambler. This is a heavy-duty piece of gear designed for those who don't do anything in small doses. What makes the ultimate version so special is its refined 3-ring expandable base and the inclusion of height-adjustable spacers. These spacers are a huge win because they allow you to lift the expander up or shift it to the side, ensuring it doesn't interfere with your armrest or your dashboard controls. Compared to the 7 Sparta, the Integral Ultimate has a more generous 4.0-inch mouth, making it the most inclusive option for the widest variety of heavy-duty flasks. The internal rubber tabs are designed for a quick draw, meaning you can grab your drink one-handed while keeping your eyes on the road. It's an exceptionally well-engineered tool that feels like a professional upgrade rather than a plastic add-on. While it is quite bulky and might feel a bit oversized in a subcompact car, it's a total lifesaver for truck owners and long-haul commuters who refuse to leave their largest water bottles behind. If you carry a bottle that's over 40 ounces, is a secure fit your top priority, or are you more worried about it blocking your view of the radio? 1. SAGRUILA Quick Install Car Cup Holder Expander. If you are looking for the absolute peak of design and heat resistance, the SAGRUILA Quick Install Expander takes the top spot for 2026. This isn't just standard plastic. It's made from a flame-retardant PC alloy, meaning it can withstand the extreme internal temperatures of a car parked in the desert without warping or cracking. The standout feature here is the Quick Install squeeze and twist mechanism that lets you secure the base in seconds, perfect if you frequently switch between vehicles. But the real reason this wins the top spot is its extreme size compatibility. It can hold containers all the way up to a staggering 64 ounces. Its specialized offset design is a total game changer for owners of compact cars, allowing the bottle to sit off-center so you can still reach your gear shifter or use your other cup holder. Compared to the 7 Sparta or the Amazon Basics models, the SAGRUILA offers significantly more flexibility for tight spaces. It even features an anti-slip silicone lining and 4 flexible rubber tabs that provide a deadbolt grip on your Stanley or a Walla. While it can be a bit top-heavy if you're hauling a full 64-ounce jug, its stability and high-end materials make it the most premium choice on our list. Which feature is more important to you? The ability to hold a 64-ounce bottle or the heat-resistant material? Whether you need the budget-friendly reliability of the Amazon Basics model or the extreme capacity and offset design of the SAGRUILA, there is finally a way to keep your favorite water bottle secure while you drive. No more rolling bottles, no more spills, and no more distracted driving. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out to find the perfect match for your vehicle. If this breakdown helped you reclaim your center console, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite bottle, and don't forget to subscribe for more car gear reviews. Safe driving and stay running. Hydrated!